Good morning, students, to all of you. So today we are going to start with the close packing in 3D as from where we have left in the last video. Okay. Now close packing in 3D that we are going to discuss today. What is that? Close packing in 3D. So whenever we are talking about the close packing in 3D, usually it is having a two part. Number one is here 3D packing. 3D packing from 2D square close packing from 2D square close packing, and same way second part is here 3D packing from 2D hexagonal close packing. 3D packing from 2D hexagonal close packing. Once again I am repeating you. Today we are going to discuss close packing in 3D. Number 1, we are going to discuss 3D packing from 2D square close packing, and number 2 is here 3D packing from 2D HCP. Okay, so these are there that we have to discuss one by one. So we are going to discuss number 1. Number 1 is here that we are going to write over there. Number 1, 3D packing from 3D packing from 2D square close packing from 2D square close packing. Okay, so student, you see, all of you, please, how to make the diagram over here. In actually that only I will tell you. Please see, all of you, very carefully. Now in this case, let's see what I am doing there. This heading, I hope you all have written this heading. Okay, then you see I am going to make the structure over here for 3D from the 2D. First of all, to draw the similar structure like that only, we'll try to draw the cube. See, all of you, like this way. I will rub this one because already you have written the heading over here. Then I am going to make a cube over there. This is I am doing the first part. Okay, see, all of you, please. This is there. This is there. Now I will arrange the cube. I will arrange the sphere here in 3D. Just see how I am arranging the sphere, and it will be look like to you. It will be look like to you as a 3D. Please see, all of you. I hope you all are getting my point. What I am doing. See, this is the arrangement of sphere. What? Arrangement of sphere in 3D. Yes or no? Is that visible to you? See, this is a sphere arrangement, and sphere arrangement in 3D. Is that clear to you? How they have made on your books is like that way only. Okay, I hope you are. Now all of you see there, this is the actual diagram how your books are making this one. I hope you are getting my point, what I am going to say you. This is the actual diagram that how your books are making over here. See this diagram is all the spheres are arranged in 3D, and everywhere there is the A, because these layers are same to each other. Okay, these layers are same to each other, and this is also called, that is why it is called AAA type close packing in 3D. Previously we have written there AA type close packing in 2D. Now it is called AAA type close packing in 3D. And second thing is there beta, when we will see inside it, हम अगर ध्यान से देखें तो हमारे पास क्या बनता है यहाँ पर, inside that we'll join that there is a formation of one cube is like that. Okay, this is called cube. Okay, and this cube, in this cube we can show separately what we are getting inside it. See, this is the cube, what we are getting inside this 3D arrangement. I hope you are getting my point, all of you. This is a cube, okay, that we are getting inside this particular arrangement. Where we are getting in this particular arrangement, this green color cube. This is a green color cube that is there, that I have made for you people separately over here only. Okay, is that clear to you to all? I hope you are getting my point. And see, in the heading we have written from the scare close packing in 2D. In the heading what we have written there, from the scare close packing in 2D. As you know very well, what was the diagram over here, over there in the scare close packing? As you know very well, in the scare close packing only two axes is there. One is x axis and one is y axis. Okay, so that is why there was formation only of scare, but it is a 3D, that is why cube is forming there. And it is also called, this above arrangement is also called what? Cube, simple cubic packing. What do you call it? This is also called simple cubic packing. Okay beta, what do you call it? One another name is here of this one, simple cubic packing. Okay, now I am leaving one question for you people, that what will be the coordination number into it, that you have to find out and you have to write. What is the question there? That what will be the coordination number inside it for this AA type 3-dimensional or simple cubic packing? What will be the coordination number, that you have to find out by your own. Okay, after that we are going towards next one, second part. We have to start for the second part. What was the second part beta? See all of you, second part that we are having, I will tell you in the second part what to do there, that we have. Okay, all of you welcome back. तो in the second part हमने क्या देखना है? Second part में what was the heading there? That 3D packing from where? From the 2D HCP. Am I right? This was the heading from the 2D HCP. So now I am going to make the sphere over here. Okay, spheres are there. You see all of you, please. Let it be. These are the spheres I am going to make. Please try to understand very carefully. 3 and this is the 4. Okay, after that next sphere is here, next is here, next is here. Then after that same way, next sphere is here, next sphere is here, next sphere is here, next sphere is here. I hope you are getting my point. Now beta, what to do there? See, when we have to keep the sphere, we can keep the sphere only on one void. Now what is the meaning of voids? बेटा जी, these are, जो बीच में जो खाली स्पेस है ना आपके पास, where I have made the blue portion, these are the voids. Okay, what do you call it? These are the voids. अच्छा, एक बात और देखो इधर, प्लीज़ सी, ये वाले स्फीयर यहाँ से ऐसे, एक मिनट बेटा, इसको आपने प्रॉपरली यहाँ से कनेक्ट करना है ऐसे, ठीक है? इट शुड बी प्रॉपरली कनेक्टेड लाइक दिस वे. इसको, हाँ, ये यहाँ से मैं रब कर देता हूँ, देखो इधर, अब ठीक है, Okay, now you see, all of you, please see, these are the voids. जो empty spaces हैं atoms में, these are called voids. Okay, now you see, at the place of these voids, whenever we have to keep the sphere, we can keep the sphere only on one void. Means there are two type of voids. One void is upside and one void is downside. Okay, one void is upside and one void is downside. Okay, you please see, all of you. Just I am joining the lines once again because they rub. See, all of you. Okay, now after that you see, basically there are two type of voids. Let it be, जो अपर voids हैं, अपर voids I am writing A, इसको लिखा है बेटा A, ये वाले. This is also A. Okay, and this one is also called A voids. जो नीचे वाली voids हैं, I am writing B. Same way I am writing B over here, and this is void A, and again this is void A. Oh, is that clear? And जो downside voids हैं नीचे वाली, see, this is void B, this is void B, this is void B. समझ लगी? I have written differently. क्यों लिखा? जो ऊपर वाली voids हैं उनको मैंने क्या मान लिया? voids A. क्या मान लिया उनको? voids मैंने voids A. Suppose I am making a green color over there. See, where the green color is here, green color, they are upside voids. क्या है ये? They are the upside voids. Now where the blue color is there, let it be blue color, they are downside voids. ठीक है, ये वाली कौन सी है आपके पास? They are the downside voids. See, this is there, and this is there. Okay, now you understood my point. तो इनको मैंने लिया है A voids and the void B. क्या माना है इनको मैंने? A void and void B. No issue, you can simply say there कि we are having a two type of voids. One is of green color voids and one is of blue color voids. What is it? One is of green color voids and one is of blue color voids. So beta, when we have to put the sphere on this layer. Okay, अब देखो यहाँ पर हमारे पास है क्या? There are two type of spheres are there. This is A layer, पहले बताया आपको. This is layer B, then this is layer A. So when we are going to put the sphere, you please see it very carefully. Then how we are going to put the sphere? We can put the sphere on the green voids or on the blue voids. One time only on the one we can keep the sphere. Suppose let it be we are going to put the sphere over the blue color voids. Where we are going to put the sphere? Over the blue color voids. You please see it, all of you, very carefully. On the blue color voids I am going to put the sphere over there. Clear? Same way you can see there, all of you. Here is also blue color voids and here is also blue color voids. Okay, it's like that only. Clear? Or are you getting my point, all of you? If picture is not visible, I will make you clear picture over there. You please see.